Hey people, Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs. While I'm home and waiting to go on my trip, we're still working on some drawings. And so this is the third 22 by 30 using Prismacolor colored pencils on Strathmore's Bristol Black. Really nice paper, firm. And so we're just working away at it. I can show you as much as I can. Now, I also know you guys are seeing that this is in black and white. I actually turned it from black and white because somehow the light glares off the white and doesn't give it a full shine. So I just have been black and whiting all the video, so we get more of a contrast so you can see what's going on. These later on will be used in our Shopify store for blankets, t-shirts, wraparound sweatshirts, and other apparel. And thinking on puzzles as well. But yeah, just it's nice after a pretty rough year, pretty busy year, even with the coof, that we got a lot of stuff done. So I'm able to come home, throw on a movie. This one particularly, we were watching Criminal Minds while I drew this, and then watch movies with the kids at night. And it's everything from science fiction to Love Comes Softly and everything in between. So, so it works out well. I'm right there in the living room, and Chris is over there, and Melissa comes in and works on her sewing, and so it's just a family thing. I'm at the drawing table, and there's a movie in the machine, and it works out well. So enjoy the transitions. Like and subscribe, please. And more coming. I am heading out December 1st for our project in a unnamed location, and it will be Project X5, and that's about as much as I can say about it. So, per the request of the client. Thanks for watching, people. You all take care and enjoy.